Hello all, welcome to Why Speak On. What happens when a husband and a wife quarrel? Expert advice would be sit, talk, and solve the issues between them. However, in some cases, it might even reach a stage of divorce. But what if I say when there is a fight between husband and wife, or he is not interested or happy in that marriage, he can very well sell his wife? Shocked? Well, let's get into the video to find about it. Between the late 18th and the mid 19th century in England, there was a strange and fascinating custom called wife selling. This practice usually took a form of an auction, often at a local market, where the husband has to register his wife as a good of sale and a rope was placed around her neck, waist, or wrist, and they were made to stand on an auction block. The woman was then auctioned off to the highest bidder and she would join a new husband after the sale was complete. When the deal was done, they would go to the local tavern to celebrate their successful transaction. But you would ask me, was there any reason for an strange auction practice to be followed like that? There are many reasons, like the husband is not happy in the marriage, or he finds that the wife is cheating on him, or the wife cannot bear the husband's child, and many more conditions like that. But again, wasn't divorce a solution for the marriage to be annulled? You might feel that why women were treated as a cattle to be sold in an auction then. Divorce was very well practiced then, but that process was too expensive and time consuming. In order to make the divorce legal, it required a private act of parliament, and that would cost at least 3000 euros, which is currently 15,000 euros at a present day, and also a blessing from the church. Also, at that time, women were completely subordinate to their husbands, and married women could not own property at their own right. They were indeed themselves the property of their husbands then. But you might be surprised to hear that in some cases, the wife arranged for her own sale and even provided the money to buy her way out of the marriage. It is unclear when the custom of wife selling was practiced, but written records indicate it was sometime started towards the end of the 17th century. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please give your likes, comments, and dislikes, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you.